Uiste hai a ha a o kutoya a kere ere iste hai ama o to ko kutute ma kutute de. A katateri a o kukoteri iri aha antoku iri ikai. Este ha tutututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututut eri I karana a kukui tatai. Buri e kai ste he kai moku tai isti hai a teri I kai mokuya. Me koyama a koyama atuya asta eri I hiki. O poiste I ka a puya ama a kuiste eri hai anana a kuya a teri I kara a kuiste eri hai. Miri ka e tae kana nere isti hai ma ukata kata te kiri kara akota Naka osteri I kai ama kuko naha aste ira naha te. Uste eri I kai ma atuya ma kai repairing chords ka asta tuya ma hatari iski hana na ata tuya ma ka ata tuya ma ka atari iski ha ata kuste hai ma te ha ste repairing the light chords ke eri aha atuya ma aka aste eri I kara na atari I ka to bring all of you here in the same plane ka asteri I kai. Pokareri iri ha tutuya ma akuste heri iri I kara na atutuya ma akara eri I kara da ututuya ma kara ukotututiri I kara da atututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututututu these cords, like antennas, very fine cords, wires, they are the connection to all strands these are in need of repair. Kuis tere ikai a andere iski hai, buya a tere ikai a andere iste. Now we are aligning it, doing this work. Kaas teri nai ete miki. Like fibers, small, very delicate, in the areas where they have been severed, you losing parts of you, parts of all, like a grid, part of the grid is out, cut off, there is no power there. It's like this. All these small fibers must be repaired. Ke este ha andere ikai. Kuya. Tirena hatutui uma aku tutuyan uste e kaina atatuya makata tuya makata e kata East Hanana Ikanana Atari Ikara 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 Akara Ikara Ikara Akara Ikara Akara Ikara Akara Ikara Akara Ikara Hashtu Tikanana Atatuya Akata East Kanana Atutema Katu Otoya Makatari Hatari Kataria Katarika, Keriki Kanana Kadate, Kadate Kotu Katana Ekirana to the Ika, Mo Eteria, Adri Ikara, Akadari Ikar, Akari Ikar, Ikar, Amoko to it. Asta Teri Ikanana Otoyamakai Atari Ishki High. We wish to tell you, may Este High, all is repairable. Kaasteri Ikai, Ha Andari Ikai. Always, kare este High, Mahatuyamakai, Ishke, Ha Tere Ika, no parts can be broken. Fukta Tere Ishke, without ability to come together, Kaaste, once again, Na Atuya Akai. Kiriri ikiriri ikiri ikiri na hatiri ikarara ukut uste eri ama kuteri ikai. This is in these small fibers ke este high, also in your human body ka astiri ikai ma atuya ma akai a tere ishki kukuya ma hatuyam akai eri ikai dere eri ishki high ka ukuste eri aha. Mirika, Kiri ikara utuisteri ika ateri eri ahama akai ateri ikai. Buiste, bringing all these repair online, ishki high, it's bringing all repair to your whole system. Ke este high ma atuya makai, kaya atuya makai, activating more este high. Like we shared these small fibers, there's still ability to function, que este connect all, but when a few are severed, kate ishki not working in the fullest, ke este hai materi. Kukuste eri aha, mukuste eri hai. Ukuste I hai na akut teri ahandu tuya makaya teri ishki hai mate. Still working asteri ika on this ke a ando uste eri ika mukuteri ika. Uste ka ateri ika ama kuteteri ika bringing it all to the now time that all can be here kaaste in the full power connection. Kuste kikarana ka ateri ikara akututu kuste I anana ateri ikai. Oh, stay. Poiske. Mai teteri ikai. Koko teteri ikai a tere ishki hai matui kai ana akaya akaya anana kai akaya na kai teteri ikai. Po iteri ika asteri iri ikarana atuyam akai eri ishki hai. With these repairs now, mahaste eri hatuya completed meri ishki hai. You are fullest antennas ka asteri ikai connections te este hai all. Teri ikai, all connected. Yes, ka asteri ikai. Fu tanene eri ishki hai. Naire eri ikai, atere ikai, amakaya atuya makaya. when the humans are truly all connected within the self body, Ishtehai, Ka'atuyama'akai, connected also to the all, Ke'eshtehai, no problem exists, Ka'ashteri Ikai, Nere Ikai, Mere Ishtehai, Kara Ukuyama'atere Ishkihai, Mere Ikai. Part of the imbalance high on the planet high is this little severed pieces high, like no, you are not full you are less than high, you are alone not part of the grid high ne mere Tuyamakai, we tell you again, all is repairable, all is a part of the connection, all is important also, Buru ukuru ustehi, makutuya na atari iri ikai, amakuste heri hai. You should feel different already. Here is now where the messages and information can come full cut and clear. Kuste eri aha ateri ika makuya matere ishka hateri eri hai. Uste eri ahama atuyama akaya ateri ishkihai, bringing your focus now to this front part of your face. Kahashter eri ayama atuya, just above your eyes. Te'eshtihai, keep the eyes closed. Ke'eshtihai, but awareness comes here. Ke'eshtihai. This is the level now, Aste eri ikai. This is the level, Kaestihai. Kukuya mahateri ikai. Kuste herha andru kusteri ikai. Meri ikai. Haatuya mahakai. This is the power, Kaaste eri aha andri iski, and the realm, Kaaste eri ika, to truly see, Kaestihai. Haatuya mahakai. Ha tere ishki hai matuya mahakai. Also to transmit eshtehai ma'akuya ate and receive ke eshtehai ma'atuya mahakai. The top of the pyramid eshtehai makuste eri ikai is this. Ki ana ate pointing up to crown eshtehai, and this part of the brain, mind, eshtehai, in front kaaste teri nakai, kuste ira naha to yamakai. Uste eri aha andere ukuyama atere ishki hai, atere eri ahandri ishki hai, ma atuyama akara eri ishti hai, ma atere ishki hai. Kokuste eri ahandri ikanana atuyama akai, eri ikanana atere ishki hai. Uyama atere ika andre ishki hai. Ukusteri ikanana ate. Ure eri ikanana atuya akai. Aste eri ikai. This is not all aste eri ika. This top of pyramid, of course, is supported below. Maeste hika haatuya mahakai. Eri ishki hai. From here down, aste eri ikai. Ka astuduno kuyamahate ishka, connecting you to earth. Ka tuyamahakai aste eri ikai. Kukuyamateri ishki hai. Na atuyamakai. Kara eri ikara no kuyamateri ishki hai. Hoka kanana kukuteri ikara no okuste eri ahai. Uyaha tere ika, the part of the field of the you, ka'ashte, that embodies this part of the you, physical, dense body part, eshtehai, has these connections going in spiral like this, ke'eshtehai, from the earth, ke'eri kai, the ground, I spiral up, kai, ahandere ishki, and attach in this part, in the front, eri ka, of this face, eri head, mahatuya, brow part, ka'andere ichi, makai, hai. The physical body is only to like a map of what is there, reflection of your field in the physical. Kara okuste eri hai. Meri eri ishki hai. Kutuyama akai ateri ishki hai. Because this part aste eri ikai ate goes beyond this thing right here, aste eri ka. The thing that you know as the thing, ka aste eri ka, physical, touching body, ka este hai. This is more than that, ka tere ishki hai, beyond aste eri, but embodied in this now time. Uste he kai. Uste eri hai. Mahatusteri ikara na otuya teri ikan. Materi ikai, makuste ikai. Like DNA repair is what is happening for you. Ke a hasteri ika. Ha tuya mahakai. A tuya makai. Este ikai. Putting these threads back together. Este hai. Kuya mahateri ikai. O kuya maha astere ikai, mo kuya hatere ishki hai. Ande eri. Taka. Oiste eri ai amaha kuya maate ka ate andere ishki hai. Mokuste eri ikai. This is like a light reflecting out all directions. Keaste eri aha. The real seeing is here. Este kai kaya atuya as antennas. Este hai. And receivers. Kaaste eri hai. It's here in this pyramid. Paaste. Part of what pyramids are for. Of course. You are this. Miri. Muri ikare eri ahandur uski haim atuski and I heri ikare. Hiya, cut pyramid connected to grid kaaste, power katuya meri. Pyramid person este hai, each one mate pukuya, full power ke este. Connection of threads all aligned, power comes. Ha neri ishki. Kukuya mahateri ishki hai akate ikai. What you may call ascension este hai. It's not really going up aste ikai. Tuyam akai. It's extending what you have in both directions este hai for the earth and elsewhere. Bringing both into this plane of new part of Earth. Ka. Difficult to explain it all. Ki ka tuya akai atuya amakai. It's like you are feeling the pull to grow taller, perhaps. This is also keeping root, like the tree. Always. Always reaching to the light sun, but also going down into the ground. This is the process of ascension. Becoming more than you were. Not going above it. Keeping the roots also. Teikai makuya hate. Uste hai ma tuyamakai. Therefore, hai, with the full power, all repaired, this is happening. Karado kuyanane kai. Nothing to be afraid of, just using what you have to the all fullest way possible. Not tuyamakai. You stepping into what you are. Mom, all of our is kaaste. Bukufteri ikai. Me ishki. Tuteri ikai. Hush. Ukuste ikai. Mahatuya kai. Neri ikai. We hope this is explained in a way to get it. Makai. But if there isn't a way to get it, it's also okay. Nukuya ate happens in any way. Not needed to be understood. In the way that you understand things. Makuyate. Grasp things. No, not needed in this way. So now we ask if anyone has a question about it, matuya, or else something different. Stay kai.
Can you tell us more about the cords that come from the pyramid above your eyes on your forehead? Like you talked about, that go to the earth. Can you tell us more about that? And do they anchor us, this part of us that we understand, here to this point in time as we understand it?
You can look at it in this way. When a baby comes out of the body, Mere ikai, there's a cord. Ka'atere ishtehai. Mere ikai, handere ishkihai. This is that cord, but in physical form. Eshtehai. You can see it. Tere ikai. Mere ikai. Ishtehi. Ha. This cord is necessary for bringing in another human. Eshtehai. Kukuya mahate. A human would not be created kuisteheri without this cord. Katuya mahaste eri ai. Kara eshki hai me eri aha. This cord eshtehai is in your field in this spiral like this. Ke asteri ikai. This is the top, the end of it. Makai eri ai here. Eri ishki hai. Within this cord, many little cords, all like fiber ishte hai. Meri ikai kai. Meri ishte hai. Bringing the anchor to earth. Ka aste ika, like the mother aste na hate. Kuste ki hana ate. Yes, your mother, este hai. Makuya hate. When you come the baby, este you attach to your mother. Ka aste na ha. Ta ka okuya hatere ishki hai. Hatuya ma'akai ere ikai. Ha'atuiste I ahane ere ika. But when the baby here, say, is the baby, ka'aste eri at the end, makuya hateri ika, ka'aste hika, keeps the cord, but hatuya, this isn't possible with the physical body and making new body, pe'este hai. But we are explaining in this way, ka'aste eri aha, so you understand that you are always connected, ishta kuya atere ika, to this mother, hashteri ikai, mukuya mate eri ah. All these fibers connect you, hate ika meri ishte, for the baby este hai to get bigger, hateri ishki, growing, expanding, ka'asteri ahate, ha'uya ha'aha'ate. All directions, mahashteri ika. The tree, ma'akuya ate, also, mahatuya, ishte, makirinaha ashte, kuya hate, like nourishing this cord, all fibers important. Kirinaha ashte ika. Does this make sense for you, Ke'este? Or answer the question?
Yes, thank you.
Kustihana atuya makai. We are pleased, Ke'este hai makuya hate, because most important is you are always connected, Este hai. This is the information that you need to know the most, Ka'aste eri. Ha twiste ikai. Nahaste eri hai. Other questions, Ke'este?
Can you explain more about the pyramids? I don't really grasp question.
Como,
Why they have that shape?
can you ask the question a little bit with louder? Because
What is the meaning of the pyramid? I don't really understand the pyramid
kuste eri hai.
object.
Akuste eri ahai. Buya hate ika mokuste eri ahai. Shouldn't think of pyramid as object ishki hai. No, mahatuya akai. It's energy force field as to hikai. Mokuste eri hai. We explain to you that this is the top of your pyramid. Here, ka'este hai, meaning ka'atere ika, you can make your own pyramid to anchor you on the sides. Ishtaha ka atuya ka, energy force coming from the center ish kai, ha meri ikai, buta, the shape of pyramids, aste erikai, it's like supporting in the anchoring the weight kaaste erika to hold the force kaastuyamate. It's like a the physical manifestation of pyramids on your planet is because they need to exist in the physical form. They all have this transmitting and receiving energy coming in Kuyamate, also coming from within, the mother, Katuyamakai, Kuya Ateri Ishkihai. So current is flowing, Kuyamate Ika. This is why, for example, if you go into a physical pyramid, you feel different, activating your own pyramid. Haste ikai, naha tuya ate, energy is different. Meri ishkihai, mokuteri ikai ha tuya mahakai, este hai ma teri ikai, no kuste iri hai, moya hate. These bigger manifestation of the physical pyramid HKI responsible for current all in the whole planet. Kita akai, keri ishki power ka aste eri hai, meri ishki hai, coming direct from the sun of the earth, ke este hai, all ka aste eri ka, meri ishki hai. Ka atuya makai. Like this, ki aste heri ai. Bohuteri ika mokuste eri hai. Does it make sense for you, asteri a antuya akai? For the moment, ke este hai amateri ika. Bohuteri ne akai, matuya asteri ikai. Naatuya akai. The message is that you are the pyramid. Ishtahaya makuya ate ka aste eri aha buya hashte a, and then you understand the other pyramids as a result. Ka ashtuya makai eri ikaya matuya makai. It's a force field. Ka ashtuya hate ha amoya hateri ishki hai. Kukuya mahateri ishki hai. Also, your pyramid goes other way to Ka'ashteri Ikai. This energy field around you, Ka'ashteri Ikai, like two pyramid, Ka'ashteri Ikai, like this, Ka'atuya Hashteri Hai, Mukuya Meri Ikai. Hasterina ha twiste ika ma meria. Next question, cast. Oh, mas.
Can you tell us about the soul of the earth?
Buita estikai. Baatuya aste eri ikai. We don't understand your question, kaasteri ika.
Does the earth have a soul? Is this consciousness?
Kutuyama kute ikai. The earth is full of souls, kaeste hai. Tuyasteri ikai. Na atuya akai. Niri ikai. Mokuste eri hai. No, it doesn't have its own soul in the sense of the energy pieces that make the earth populated, ke ashte eri aha, me eri aha, the collective souls, ke este, yes, ka teri, ma osteri ika, no, earth doesn't have a soul, ke ashteri ika. In the sense, ka ashte, mo ukoi, earth is a dense place, ka ashte eri ka. This is the function of it, ka ashte. The souls bring the souls to it, ka ashte eri a, but it is collective density over all the time it has been here, ka ashte. Meri ika tuya hate. Souls are not physical, ashte eri ika, in that density. Kustinen haaste ikai, hamatuya kai, kuya hakteri ikai, maakai. Kotetetena hakuste ikai. Others coming in mahasteri.
Do animals have souls like humans? How much of the same thing, or are they completely different?
Ustena kotetetena hakuya teri ikai, makaya atutuya maakai. All living things on the dense planet Estehai are occupied Estehai with what you call souls ke Estehai makai kara ukuya hate kara iski high. It's an energy field ke Estehai kere ikai. All that is alive este in the dense place must have this field kaaste. This is how you know when something is living este hai okuyamate uiste. You also know when something is no longer living este. This energy is not part of it any longer. Kadei kai muste. There is no guessing kaaste eri ka if something is living or something is dead. Ka teri ikai mate in the dense planet ke este hai. There is no question kaaste ikai tuyamahaste eri ka. All must be occupied with this force este hai. Kuste ikai maturu ukui karana kuyane teri ikai. Haasteri ikai matuya makaya ateri ishki hai. Kukuya mahateri ishki hai materi ikai. Neri ikai ateri ishki hai. Some of these energies kaasteri ikai kaateri ikai, they have come many times in different parts of all around everywhere ke occupying different forms este hai kara ukuya mahate, forms of life ke este hai mahatuiste ikai. All have been occupied to understand the full picture este hai makaya atuya kai. Therefore you perhaps ke este hai ka tuya maka one time was a tree ke este hai makuya hateri iki ha hasteri ikai makuya buya. But this is a long time of occupying ke este hai ka as tutuya mahakai ateri iki ha tu. Other times you maybe were only this little bug kate occupying nothing ka este hai, but force field made it work, made it alive ki iti kai kuste ikai. All is the same in this sense. Ki isti hai. Mere eri ikai ma toya akai. Mere ishki hai. You know where you're going to be occupying next. Ki aste eri ahai. Kai ma eri ikai pui aste ikai. To maybe see all the perspective. Ke este hai. Andere ikai. Andere ikai. Human only one. Me este hai. Me ikai. Ta este ikai. Me eri ikai. Oi te eri ikai. Bishti ikai. Any others, Mahaste?
What spirit embodies the mushroom just consumed?
Kuste kikana at tuyama kuste eri aha andre o kuyama ka asteri I karana ateri ika. Eri a andre ika andre ikara asteri ishka ast uyama ateri ikai. Tere ikai, yes, mahatuya aste eri ikai. This is an intelligence ka este hai. Nakuste I anana atere ikai. Puyaha tere ikai. Ha'atri ishki hai, not occupied by the same soul as you say, este hai, ka okuyama tere ikai. This is an network, ke este hai, kara okuyama tere ikai, ere ikai, este ikai. It's part of the density, este hai, amakai, kuyama tere ikai, but an intelligence, naha aste never aste stops existing, ke este hai. Under all the earth, ke este hai, is this an intelligent network, ke este kai, tuyama kaya at tuyama kai. Ha asti I karan o kuyama atre ikai a toiste irana ha tere ikai. Miri I karara atre ikai was put there este tai ama akuya akai. Mokuya atere ikai was put there on the the planting of the earth ke aste ahate ikai. This network of intelligence ke este hai ka aste to clean ka atuya akai ha atuya aste eri ika the physical imbalances aste eri ikai that exist ki ahandre ukuya mahate. Therefore aste you consume them este hai kai eri ika exactly what assists in the repairs ke este I in your network ka atuya aka connecting to that earth ka este network underneath the layer ka te ishki hai ma toya hakai kada uste ikai ne. Therefore, aste, you feel connected. Aste eri ka, when you consume them, aste eri ikai. Kuya aka, yes, they are connecting you back. Este ki, kai, mokuste eri hai. Eri ikana na ate, eri a tuyama kai. Este hai, nahaste ki. Understanding it, ka aste kai. Baste, yes, asteri? Or is there more information, este kai?
Yeah.
Bustekai, nikai, ta, itai, maasteri ikai. All of this is a lot. Ke ere ikai coming through. Ke este hai Handa ukuya ashteri kai maatuya, but we assure you, you already have it. Kaateri ishki hai. Tuya mahakai. Puya aste eri aha. Nothing is meant to shock you. Ke este hai. Kira nahate. Kuya hashteri ikai. Only meant to enhance you. Ke este hai. Ha meri ikai. To the full. Mahashteri ikai. To the full. Meresti hai mahakuya mate. Grateful for this being, because this information is needed coming through now for you and planet Earth. So important. Grateful for your attention and presence today. Always ki anana atuyaste. Hamakotere ikai. Atere ikara to stiri na hatu yama kote to stiri katere na kote kai. And we will depart from this vehicle, Kai, always with you. We are always with you. We are always with you. High.